Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video I have made for HS final year student for the session 21 22. As students know that pre-final examination that is going to conduct by December, for this AHSCC has offered the syllabus for pre-final examination. In this video we shall discuss about the syllabus for business studies. All of you watch the video till the end. Syllabus for pre-final examination 2021 for business studies. The paper will commence for 100 marks. For this reason, syllabus is slightly minimized from part A and part B. All of you go through it. From part A, principles and functions of management, unit 1, nature and significance of management, where you have to study about the management concept, objective, importance. Management is science, arts, profession, and levels of management and its function, top, middle, and lower level. From unit 1, these are the topic has been suggested as the syllabus. From unit 2, principles of management, nature and significance, and Fayol principles only has been included. They have removed Taylor principle, scientific principle, so only Fayol principle, if you will study, it will be sufficient for pre-final examination. From unit 3, business environment, meaning and importance of business environment and dimension of business environment. These are only 3 topics they have offered. Dimension of business environment includes economic, social, technological, political, and legal. From unit 4, planning, meaning, features, importance, and planning process. There is a planning process, includes 7 steps. Okay, that answer you need to prepare from planning unit. From unit 5, organizing, meaning, importance, steps in the process of organizing, formal and informal organization. There you have to study about the advantages and disadvantages of formal and informal organization. And delegation elements includes authority, responsibility, accountability. From unit 6, staffing, you need to study about the meaning, importance, steps in staffing process, recruitment, meaning, and different sources of recruitment. Internal and external source of recruitment has been given in the book. You have to go through it. From unit 7, directing, meaning, importance, and essential elements of direction, which includes supervision, motivation, leadership, and communication. Okay, elements you see in depth. From unit 8, controlling, meaning, importance, and steps in the process of controlling. Okay, steps of controlling, you see it clearly. From part B, business finance and marketing, unit 9, from unit 9, business finance, essential topics are business finance, meaning, objectives of financial management, financial planning, meaning and importance of financial planning, fixed and working capital. These are the things you need to study from business finance. And from unit 10, financial market, concept of financial market, money market, capital market, its difference between money market and capital market you study, and you study about primary and secondary market, including its difference. These are the topics from unit 10. And lastly, you might not notice that there is a topic given, price factor influencing pricing. This topic has been given from the chapter marketing management, and you have to go through this topic. Pricing is a component of marketing mix. There you have to study about pricing and its factor influencing pricing. Do not skip this topic from the chapter marketing. These are the topics for the syllabus for pre-final exam for business studies. All of you go through the topic clearly and give the exam with immense seriousness, because this might be the final exam. If again pandemic has an effect, they might not able to conduct the final exam. So based on this exam result, mark sheet might be prepared. So don't take it casually, with immense serious, give the examination. Best of luck. Thank you.